Alright guys, my mirror got knocked off. This is a Ford Focus 2017. I'm going to show you how to replace it. So here you got a torque screw here, and that is a T20 Torx. And then you've got a bolt right here. We're going to take those loose and see what it looks like. So the bolt is a 10 millimeter. Should have figured that to start with. I've got the new mirror here. This mirror is actually a manual, but I think I'm gonna make it work because the electric one on this car doesn't work at all. Do not lose this bolt and let it fall down inside the door. Alright guys, so here's kind of the result. I didn't realize it when I purchased this that it was a manual. The electric mirrors they don't work anyway. I don't know if it's, I guess it could be a fuse. I haven't looked. But I don't know if I want to go through the trouble of trying to return it just for set it and forget. I've been driving without one for a long time anyway. So I might just cut me a little small hole here and mount this in this piece here and be done with it. This is a work car anyway, so the fact that I got a mirror is a plus. I might snug it up a little bit more. But it looks good. Got it on there. I think it was $25 or $28 on Amazon. I done it myself. Hope that helps somebody out there. Till next time, guys. Appreciate you watching.